In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the Geo Tax Changer and its new capabilities. So, I've opened this app on a CloverFlex device, and I'm going to go to Edit. And you can see that there are two sort of modes. First mode is that we are traveling to our customers. Our location triggers different sales tax. Or we ship to customers, and customer location triggers sales tax. So if you have this setting, we travel to customers, then we are also recommending or requiring at this point that this app be paired with a mobile device. So in this case, we're going to utilize an iPhone. And we already have the app installed. It's right there. And so let me just set this down for a minute. I'm going to go ahead and open the app. So it's really simple. And what we're doing is we have it already installed. But if you don't have it installed, you can click on this link here and scan the QR code either with iPhone or with a Google phone to get quickly to the app market to download the app. If it's already installed, you can pair it, and pairing it is just basically scanning the QR code with the device like this. And there, it's now paired. And so now that it's paired, this device and this app knows where it is, because this phone has really robust capabilities as far as the GPS is concerned. And so, you know, when we open the register, well, I'm actually in the middle of an order here. Let me cancel that out. Open new register. And so we also have Cloud CRM. In fact, this app is also implicated. So while it's loading, I'm gonna choose this here. And so it's picking up our location here. And it says that, you know, we've used this location, it recognizes this address, and so it's recommending to utilize this code, the sales tax. And so we're going to go ahead and accept it, and it will make a change, and then on we continue with the transaction. Okay, and app triggers the container. All right, so when we can go ahead and you can see that the tax is basically being added and customer is assigned. So this is the function where the device is paired with the Flex, and that's how it knows. And so now I'm going to demonstrate this app on stationary Clover Station rather. Let me just get this closer here. All right, so now I'm going to demonstrate the scenario where merchant doesn't travel, but the customer location triggers different sales tax because merchant drop ships. And so in this scenario, what we have done is we are introducing the integration of GeoTax with Cloud CRM. Cloud CRM is our customer app, and GeoTax is the one that changes the tax rate. And so if you install Cloud CRM, you get GeoTax for free. If you have GeoTax without Cloud CRM, then GeoTax has to be a paid app. So the only way to have GeoTax for free is if you have Cloud CRM. And so this is our customer app, and it contains customer information, and it has what we call workflow management, where if you turn on require customer select on checkout and you install the GeoTax Changer app, you can go ahead and open it and edit. So we've already pre-configured it to say that we ship to customers, and customer location triggers sales tax, and we have the app subscription configured properly. It's free subscription detected, and so we can go ahead and go back to our Cloud CRM. In fact, we're done here as well. So we're going to go ahead and open the Register app, and looks like we already have a customer assigned. So let me go ahead and exit out of the Register app and open it again. And this triggers Cloud CRM, and it says, all right, we'll pick a customer. And we're going to say, all right, it's this customer. And it says, all right, so we know this customer has the city, county, state, zip code filled out. Previously used tax rate is 5.8888%. and you can go ahead and save or make changes right here on the screen. So if no changes are required, you simply save, and what just happened basically is two apps worked together. Cloud CRM triggered the customer assignment, and because it's integrated with GeoTax, it pulled up the previously used tax rate for that location and said, all right, yeah, we know the tax rate for this location, it's that. And so this is what happened. And now we can basically proceed with an item like so, and the tax rate is charged right there. You can see. And so basically that's the second part of the scenario that you can utilize for GeoTax Changer. All right. Again, integrated with Cloud CRM, GeoTax Changer is free. But for GeoTax Changer to function in a travel mode, you can install an Android app, which is also free. The Android apps are free. Apple iPhone apps are free, and you can install them on your phone and then pair the Flex or Mini or whatever device. You can pair it with the phone, and then as long as you are in possession of both of those things, Flex will know where it is, and the sales tax will be triggered like I've previously shown in the beginning of this video. Thank you. Lastly, what I'd like to show regarding the GeoTax Changer and its functionality is the way that the reporting is shown after the transactions have been made on Clover reporting. So we're going to open the reporting app. We're going to go to taxes section, and we're going to see that two different tax rates were triggered based on the address. One was triggered on a very specific address while we were in travel mode, and the other one was triggered based on the customer assignment. And in both cases, there's plenty of information to determine later what was collected and you know who to report and how much is you know needed to pay. It's pretty robust. There it is.